Welcome to the UK weather forecast for the next 5 days. Snow, rain, and strong winds are expected in many areas of the kingdom, so please watch this video in full, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated. The effects of the Atlantic low-pressure system will persist over the United Kingdom during the evening and night of this Thursday, December 28th. Expect continued light rain in the northwest and south of England, as well as Wales and some areas of Northern Ireland. From light to moderate rain is anticipated in most regions of Scotland, especially central and west Scotland, and even the Western Islands will experience some light rain. Meanwhile, central England and the Northern Islands will have stable weather and clear skies. Snowfall will persist in the central inland areas of Scotland, specifically in areas such as Rosehall, Bona Bridge, Kingussie, Dalwhinnie, possibly even Braemar and Tomich. Some light snow is also possible in Fort Augustus and Bridge of Balgie. Strong winds exceeding 60 km per hour are expected in most areas of England, Wales, Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, and the Western Islands. The weather on Friday, December 29th will be characterized by near-total stability and clear sunny skies in the central, eastern and southeastern regions of England. The rest of the kingdom will experience cloudy weather with periods of stability and clear skies, except for northern Scotland and the Northern Islands, where the weather will remain cloudy throughout the day. Some light rain will continue in northern England and Northern Ireland, possibly even in Wales, southwest England and the Western Islands. Light to moderate rain is expected in northern Scotland and the Northern Islands. Additionally, snowfall will occur in many areas and cities in the northern half of Scotland, with very light snow possible in parts of northern England and northern Wales. Temperatures will significantly drop in most areas of the kingdom, especially in Scotland, northern England, and Northern Ireland. Dear viewers, anticipate a new Atlantic low-pressure system to affect the United Kingdom on the upcoming Saturday, December 30th. This will lead to rainfall across all regions and cities of the kingdom, with more intense and sometimes heavy rain in areas marked in green and yellow, namely Wales and possibly Northern Ireland, northwest England. Additionally, strong rainfall is expected in southern England and the northeastern regions of Scotland. With the influx of cold air currents of polar origin from the north, heavy snowfall is expected in Scottish areas, especially inland, and some snow is anticipated in Northern Ireland, Northern England, and possibly Northern Wales. The eastern wall of the Atlantic low-pressure system will result in strong winds, ranging from 50 to 80 km per hour in most areas of the kingdom. On the following Sunday, the effects of the Atlantic low-pressure system will continue, but in a weaker manner compared to Saturday. Rainfall will be weak and expected in Wales, Northern Ireland, Northern England, most areas of Scotland, and most islands. Very weak rainfall may include southwestern England. Some snowfall will persist in parts of Scotland, especially central Scotland, and some areas in northern England and some parts of Wales. The weather will remain cloudy with scattered weak rain on Monday, January 1st in Scotland, northern England, the Northern Islands and the northwest. Some very weak snowfall will also continue in scattered parts of Scotland. The weather will stabilize with mostly clear skies in other areas, except for the southern regions of England near the coasts, which will be affected by the passage of a low-pressure system south of the United Kingdom, resulting in rainy and unstable weather. On Tuesday, January 2nd, the weather will stabilize in most areas of the kingdom, with the absence of rain and snow, except for very weak raindrops that may include the islands and northwest Wales. However, temperatures will significantly drop in most areas of the kingdom. And now, here is the snow accumulation forecast for the next 5 days. Between 10 and 30 centimeters in areas such as Kinbrace, Lairg, Rosehall, Achnasheen, Dalwhinnie, Bridge of Balgie, Pitlochry, Aberfeldy, Killin, Tindrum, Kirkton of Glenisla, Clover, Braemar, Ballater, Tarfside, Strathton, Alford, Huntley, Keith, Dufftown, Rothers, Grantown-on-Spey and Turriff. Between 5 and 15 centimetres in areas like Thurso, Bettyhill, Wick, Golspie, Kinloch Burvey, Lochinver, Ullapool, Guyloch, Stromeferry, Fort Augustus, Fort William, Buckie, Old Meldrum, Alston, Keswick, Ambleside, Chipping, Stanhope, Kirkby Stephen, Hawes, Settle, Sedberg. Less than 10 centimetres in areas including Macclesfield, Manchester, Burnley, Preston, Liverpool, Leeds, Lancaster, Kendal, Millom, Penrith, Workington, Ripon, Northallerton, Middlesbrough, Crook, Sunderland, Whitby, Hexham, Horsley, Carlisle, Howick, Langholm, Galashiels, Dunbar, Edinburgh, Moffat, Dumfries, Armadale, Larnac, Cumnock, Carsfern, Newton Stewart, Girvan, Ayr, Glasgow, Stirling, Greenock, Aberfoyle, Crieff, Perth, Inverarray, Lochgilphead, Oban, Dundee, Glenrothes, Forfar, Stonehaven, Aberdeen, Peterhead, Fraserburgh, Elgin, Inverness, Alness, Tobermory, Portree, Stornoway, Kirkwall, Lerwick, Bolter Sound, Northern Ireland, Bangor, Bala, Porthmadog, Barmouth, Aberystwyth, Lampeter, Brecon, Swansea, Merthyr Tydfil and St Asaph.